car was purchased by Jan Klima, who escaped from Czechoslovakia, went to Coomera Snowy Mountains in Australia, and I sold him this car in May 1975 and bought it back from his grandchildren about 4 years ago. So technically I'm the second owner.
Doing surprisingly well. Yeah, if you told us at the start of the rally or even 2 or 3 weeks ago that we'd be leading at the final rest day, probably wouldn't have believed you. So yeah, it's very pleasant and good surprise.
Well, the rally is absolutely fantastic, but it's not only about enjoyment. I think it's about a life experience. I've learned a lot of self-confidence, and I learned that you can push your body much more than you think if your mind is there.